People study for years and they don't get any traction. They'll have a large vocabulary, but they won't have sentence level fluency. And the reason is because they don't understand that the majority of meanings in Arabic, they don't come from words. They come from vowels and patterns and grammatical structures. And this is dictated by the 80-20 principle. It says that there's a massive imbalance between causes and effects. And there's an imbalance between effort and results. And there's an imbalance between inputs and outputs. If you go into your wardrobe and look at the clothes that you have there, there's 20% of clothes that you'll be wearing 80% of the time. Isn't that right? And if you go into any major city and survey the traffic, you'll notice that there's 20% of roads that account for 80% of all of the traffic. And the Arabic language is no different. Within the Arabic language, there are certain principles and there's certain rules that they account for 80% of what you would encounter. So what we do is we reapply the rule again and we say within the 20%, there's another 20%, a further 20%, which is 4, because 20% of 20 is 4. And if you learn that 4% of the language, it will give you 80 of 80. In other words, it will give you 64% of the benefits. So let's round that off and say half. And surprisingly, this 4% of the language, it could be studied, it could be grasped and understood in an incredibly short amount of time. So within about 3 hours of focused study, a student can get this. Because the biggest cause of failure among struggling Arabic students is they start with the simple and they try to get to the complex. What happens is they never get to the complex because they're sitting there memorizing words and they think it's tedious and it's pointless and they keep getting frustrated and they keep quitting. Like this one sister from the UK, she says, subhanallah, all the things I studied in 10 years, he covered in 1 hour. And it all made sense and it was not tedious. She did the workshop and the link is in the description. I highly recommend that everybody goes through the workshop and go through the 3 hours. If you go through the 3 hours, you will have half of all of the benefits you will ultimately achieve within the span of 3 hours.